Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ku Adik Dinil bin Ahmad Arman. I am from class EMD 1M5C. Today, I am going to talk about why I wanted to pursue my career in mechanical engineering. First of all, ever since I was a kid, I have been really interested in engineering, especially in the oil and gas industry. I think it started with my dad. He works in this field, and growing up, I saw how passionate he is about his work. Naturally, I started dreaming about following in his footsteps. I also got the chance to work with my uncles who is in the same industry. Getting that early exposure really motivated me. I got to see what the work really is, the challenges, and how important problem solving and innovation are. It made me realize that engineering isn't just about machines or technology. It's about finding solutions, making an impact, and being part of something bigger than yourself. All these experiences have shaped my dream to pursue a career in engineering. I am excited to keep learning, growing, and one day contributing to an industry that has inspired me since I was young. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello. My name is Muhammad Adib Irfan bin Jasmani, and my matrix number is 2025235868. And in my opinion, it was a valuable experience to work in a group because it gave us a lot of advantages such as diverse ideas and perspective, sharing workload, and also improve learning and skill development. The reason why I want to pursue a career in engineering field is because of my role model, which is my dad, who works as an oil and gas engineer in Petronas company. Other than that, I also had my own experiences working in engineering field. I once worked as a technician, solar consultant, and also a designer for a solar company. It teach me how engineering fields work, as doing work under pressure, solving problems, and etc. Although it's challenging, it's worth all the hard work we put in because it gave me a valuable experience, and also I know how things work after I finish my degree in engineering field in UITM. And without me realize, I do really love engineering out of habits because I do love machines, software, and also challenging problem. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kuzairi Adli bin Khairul, and my student's ID is 2025421978. Today, I want to share my experience of interviewing an engineer. First one is, the engineer shared his daily life work experience with my groupmates, and what I've gained from his story is that being an engineer is not easy. We have a difficult responsibilities, and it's very time consuming, and also the technical knowledge required to success in this field of work is not very easy to acquire. And what's more is that teamwork, communication skills, and a good time management is very crucial for us to learn, so that we are able to do our work properly and does not mess up when in crucial times. Another valuable insights that I've gained from interviewing an engineer is that the safety is very important. As we know, when we work with tools and materials, a lot of health hazard is very imminent because the tools is not light. It is very dangerous and always have the risk of death because some of the equipment is very deadly, and if not used properly, it will injure us and comes a lot of problem. So we have to first prioritize safety and always communicate with each other so that the safety hazard or an accident will not occur during our work time. Another insight is that we need to think differently. We need to think critically, because not every plan will go smoothly. There will have obstacles, will have challenges, and we need to think critically and solve those problems quickly, so that the problem will not become an evil problem, and until we are not able to solve it, and risk the failure of the project. So besides all that, to indulge in this field of work, we must not only think about money, because money will not keep us going far in this career, or money will only carry us so far, because we need to have passion. We need to further dive into this career. We need to really like it, so that we are able to succeed and do our work properly, so that people will hire us and we will have better jobs and better income. So that is all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Azan Shamil bin Sharil Isham. My student ID is 2025224054. My most valuable skill that I learned from working as a team is how to express our idea compassionately and articulately. Secondly, I learned how to manage our time in order for us to successfully submit our assignment punctually. The reason why I want to pursue a career in engineering is I learned during my high school, I participate in a competition of designing a bridge. And in order for us to win the competition, we have to design the strongest bridge of all other competitors. And I find during that process of designing and building the bridge, it is quite enjoyable for me. And from that day, I find myself truly deep in engineering field, truly in love with engineering field. Secondly, I love to learn how things work and why they were designed that way. I find building a Lego set is enjoyable, and it truly brings me a pleasure. And thirdly, my uncle is an engineer, and he has always given me early exposure on what they do on their works. And lastly, they couldn't deny that engineering is the most highly demand job on the market. So especially with the growth of industrial demand.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Lutfi Hazim. From this assignment, I learned that mechanical engineering isn't just about calculations. Engineers solve real-world problems, work closely in teams, and make decisions that impact safety and performance. I also learned that communication and responsibility are just as important as technical skills. My motivation for choosing mechanical engineering comes from both personal interests and career goals. On a personal side, I always loved machines. As a kid, I spent countless hours building car Lego sets, taking things apart just to see how they work, and imagining ways to improve them. This curiosity developed into a genuine passion for understanding and designing mechanical systems. Professionally, mechanical engineering excites me because it allows me to take ideas from concept to reality, and also to improve designs and make machines more efficient and reliable. I also like that it opens up opportunity across many various industries, from automotive to energy, giving me the chance to work on projects that truly make a difference. So this assignment has made me even more confident to pursue a career in engineering, specifically mechanical engineering. Thank you.